2023 Lexus ES 300h doesn't make much sense as an F-Sport. This combination was new to the ES range for 2022, but it's not just an appearance upgrade anymore. Lexus now offers the F-Sport option in two tiers. F-Sport design includes just visual bits, and F-Sport handling is a set of adaptive dampers that adjust their firmness based on which driving mode you select. The ES300h F Sport may look the part of a sportier sedan thanks to sharp 19-inch black wheels, a rear spoiler, front seats with aggressive bolstering, and the cool movable gauge cluster bezel foreseen in the LFA supercar. But its hybrid drivetrain prefers a slower pace as the combination of the 2.5-liter inline-4 and two electric motors only produces a total of 215 horsepower. In our testing, the F-Sport reached 60 mph in a sluggish 7.9 seconds, nearly 2 seconds slower than a 302 HP V6-powered ES350. Our favorite change for the 2023 ES is the reconfigured infotainment system. Lexus Machiavelli ditched the fuzzy touchpad controller, moved the display toward the driver so it could function as a touchscreen, and introduced the company's new infotainment software that has a far simpler menu structure.